Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by saving your work and closing unnecessary apps. This avoids data loss when you restart Explorer. Open Task Manager using Control plus Shift plus ESC, or right-click Start and pick Task Manager. That gets you to process controls fast. In Processes, find Windows Explorer, because restarting it refreshes the taskbar and system tray without rebooting. Once done, either right-click and choose Restart or End Task, then use File Run New Task and type Explorer. EXE to start a fresh session and restore the UI. Next, you check taskbar settings by going to Settings Personalization Taskbar to confirm configuration like auto-hide or multiple displays. Mistakes here often cause apparent breaks. Then, open Services. MSC and restart Windows Search and Shell Experience Host because those services affect icons and start behavior. After that, run an integrity check. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano. This repairs corrupt system files that can break taskbar functions. Make sure to reboot if SFC reports. Finally, if the taskbar still misbehaves, back up the registry and edit the Explorer key only when comfortable. Incorrect edits can harm Windows. Specifically, remove stale shell icon overlay identifiers or reset relevant Explorer values, then restart Explorer again. If you suspect profile corruption, create a new local user and check the taskbar there. It isolates the issue quickly. If none of this works, run system restore or perform a repair install. One key troubleshooting tip: always create a restore point before registry or repair actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.